Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Have you ever seen a picture from space that looks exactly like a giant eye staring at us? It may look like digital art, but this amazing object is real. It's called NGC 6751 and many people know it as the glowing eye of space because of its incredible eye-like shape. NGC 6751 is about 6,500 light-years away from Earth. It is located in the constellation Ecola, also known as the Eagle. A light-year is the distance that light travels in 1 year. Since this object is 6,500 light-years away, the light we see today actually lived 6,500 years ago. In other words, when we look at NGC, we are looking back into a distant past. It is something called a planetary nebula. The name is a little confusing because it has nothing to do with planets. Long ago, early astronomers looked through small telescopes and noticed that these objects looked a little like planets. So they called them planetary nebulae, and the name has stayed ever since. A planetary nebula forms when a star similar to our Sun reaches the end of its life. After shining for billions of years, the star runs out of fuel. It becomes unstable and slowly blows its outer layers into space. These colorful clouds of gas spread out in every direction, while the hot core of the star remains in the center. That hot core gives off powerful energy, making the surrounding gas glow brightly. This is exactly what happened to NGC 6751. The center of the nebula contains a very hot dying star called a white dwarf. Although the star is much smaller than it used to be, its temperature is extremely high. Its powerful radiation lights up the gas around it, creating the beautiful glowing colors we see today. One of the most interesting things about NGC 6751 is its shape. Instead of forming a perfect circle, the gas creates rings, arcs, and curved patterns that look very much like the iris and pupil of a human eye. This is why people often call it the eye of space. The colors are not just beautiful, they also tell scientists important information. Blue areas usually show glowing oxygen gas. Red areas mostly represent hydrogen gas. Other colors reveal different elements and temperatures. By studying these colors, astronomers can learn what the nebula is made of, how hot is it, and how fast the gas is moving. The gas inside NGC 6751 is moving at hundreds of kilometers per second. Powerful stellar winds from the central star continue to push the gas outward, creating the detailed shape we can see today. The famous image of NGC 6751 was taken by the Hubble Space Telescope. Hubble has been orbiting Earth for many years and has captured some of the most breathtaking images ever seen. Its observations help scientists understand how stars are born, how they live, and how they die. You may wonder, will our own sun end its life this way? The answer is yes. In about 5 billion years, the sun will run out of fuel and become a red giant. Later, it will release its outer layer into space and leave behind a white dwarf. For a short time, our solar system could also be surrounded by a glowing planetary nebula, although it may not look exactly like NGC 6751. Planetary nebulae are very important because they spread heavy elements into space. Elements like carbon, oxygen, and nitrogen are created inside stars. When stars die, they release these elements into the universe. Later, these materials become part of new stars, new planets, and even living things. That means the atoms inside your body were once inside ancient stars billions of years ago. This is why scientists often say we are made of stardust. NGC 6751 is much more than a beautiful picture. It is the final chapter in the life of a star. It reminds us that even a star dies, it creates something incredibly beautiful and helps build the next generation of stars and planets. Our universe is full of amazing mysteries, and NGC 6751 is one of its most spectacular masterpieces. Thanks for watching my video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye.